Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix well this is awkward error on the Discord application. So let's get started right away. If you're trying to open up the Discord application but you receive an error message saying that this is awkward, then there might be a few ways to fix this issue. First of all, check that you are updated to the latest version by simply opening up the Discord app. If you receive the message, simply right-click on the taskbar window for Discord and click on Close Window. You can then reopen the Discord application and see if this fixes your issue. If it still doesn't work, go to the Search tab and search for Programs. Now, once you find Add or Remove Programs, click on it to open it up. This will now show you the list of all applications that are installed on your device. Simply scroll down and look for Discord and click on the three dots at the right side and click on Uninstall. Once you proceed with uninstalling Discord, go ahead and download it once again from discord.com and reinstall it. And now your Discord application should be working just fine. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix the well this is awkward error in the Discord application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.